That's good. Yeah. You like that?
Another bite. Here you go. Mmm. Is that good? Is that good? Here.
Mmm. That's good. Yeah.
So what is that thing you're holding up in front of my face? You want this? My baby's eating.
Are you chowing down like a real boy?
No,
Are you gonna feed him all that?
Yeah, he eats it all.
Man, he's gonna be getting big.
Here, babe. Open your mouth. Is it good? Nope, move your hands. Is it good? Here. Mmm. Yummy, huh? Prune juice and rice and water. Yum. Yum.
What is it?
Prune juice, rice, and water. So he doesn't get constipated, huh? Here, bud. Are you a good eater? Trey? Trey, move your hands. Move your hands. Here.